advise sa inyo. So wag po kayo magalit if we decline or we refuse that. Because like I said, we're just following what every retail appliance store does. Next one. Okay. Please ship. This is for Mindanao. If the Cebuanos want to do the same thing or anybody from Visayas, it's still okay. Please ship units through LBC only at the address below. Ayan po yung address. Pride International Philippines Incorporated, care of LBC Bangkal Branch, MacArthur Highway, Davao City. Yan po ang number na nakalagay dyan. Alright? Para clear lang tayo, LBC will only accept your shipment if you use LBC to deliver your package. Common sense naman po yan. Diba? Hindi po kayo pwede mag-ship sa address nito at ang ginamit ninyo JNT or UPS. Because this is a accommodation that LBC is giving to us. Natanggapin nila ang shipment ninyo for as long as you are shipping it through LBC. Also, kung tiga Davao po kayo at malapit po kayo sa Bangkal branch ng LBC, hindi rin po pwede na pumunta kayo doon at i-drop off nyo doon at sabihin nyo sa Pride ito. Hindi po yan pwede po. This is applicable for members that are from other provinces like Cotabato, General Santos, Cagayan de Oro. Please use LBC. Ship your products or your devices to the LBC address below. Okay? So that po tatanggapin nila and then the rest will be our responsibility. Alright? Clear tayo po ha? Itong address na to po, ang Pride, hindi po pagmamayari ng Pride ang LBC Bangkal. So if you are shipping your products to LBC Bangkal using a different courier, it will be sent back to you. Collect. Alright? LBC to LBC tayo. Next. Members within Davao City or who choose to physically drop off the device may do so at this address. Pride Philippines, Door 1, Climaco Building, La Vista Mountain Drive, Balusong, Diversion Road, Davao City, beside Laundry Bells. Ito po, hindi po dyan inaayos ang inyong devices. Hindi po yan, ang tatanggap din yan po, walang kinalaman po sa issue ng device ninyo. Ito po ay drop-off hub lang. Tatanggapin nila ang package ninyo and everything will go through a course. Simply, parang ganito yan. It's the same thing as sending your device to Manila. Manila pa rin ang kausap nyo, Manila pa rin mag-aasikaso, Manila pa rin mag-a-update sa inyo. Sa Manila pa rin kayo tatawag po regarding your device. Ito po is para lang hindi na nyo kailangan i-ship out. You will drop it off at this address. They will receive it, but they will not answer any questions because that is not their job po. It is a drop-off hub po. Okay? Para clear lang ha. Baka kasi magpunta kayo doon, antayin ninyo o kailan maayos. Hindi po responsibility ng tao po na tatanggap niyan doon sa drop-off hub sa Davao City. Next.
Pwede na mag-picture.
Okay, this is clear. Receiving of drop-off is only from Monday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay? Alright? 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yan lang po, Monday to Thursday. This is for all who are from Davao or who choose. Malay mo, galing kayo ng General Santos, nasa Davao na kayo, i-drop off lang nyo. Ito lang po yung drop-off days and drop-off time. Otherwise, we suggest that you ship the device through LBC at the above LBC address. Okay? Again, inulit na naman. LBC Bangkal will not accept drop-offs. Okay? I-clear natin yan ng maayos. Magkahayaan po tayo. You will be wasting your time if you do not understand these instructions. No? Alright? Next. Alright. No, these are not satellite offices of Pride. These are only receiving and drop-off locations. Okay? Eventually, my plan is to be able to have more drop-off hubs all over the Philippines to support our network. But these drop-off hubs are not satellite offices of Prive. This is not an office of Prive. Tigatanggap lang po sila ng mga devices ninyo. Alright? Para clear yan ha, kasi baka makipag-away kayo, hindi nasagot ang mga tanong ninyo, yung tatanggap po doon, maawa naman kayo, ang kanilang job is to just receive it. Everything else is the same process as if you sent the unit to Manila. However, because mas malapit na siya po, di ba? Mas mabilis ninyong matanggap balik ang inyong product, and mas ano din po, mas economical in as far as shipping is concerned. Okay? All inquiries and follow-ups must take the course through Prive PH phone numbers and channels. All shipping costs will be at the expense of the member or client. The same yan lang yan po. The same lang. Except of course, yung warranty natin, which by the way, nothing has changed in as far as how we handle devices that are within warranty. Next.
Ano to?
Okay, please label your package device with your complete information. Name, complete address, and phone numbers. Marami pong nagkakaproblema nito po, especially those who think po na tawag dito na alam namin ang lugar ninyo, kasi minsan may nagsiship sa amin, ang nilalagay barangay lang, walang number. Unless barangay captain po kayo, hindi po madideliver ng LVC yan sa residence ninyo. So please put complete address and name. Alright, and phone number. Okay, another reminder. If you are putting your name and your address, please put your phone number. Do not put the phone number of somebody else kasi po hindi po kami call center. Hindi pwedeng pagtawag namin ng number, sasabihin niyo, pwede, hindi po ito, ano ito, anak, kapitbahay, ugangan, sa tawag ni bayaw. Tawagan ninyo siya sa ganito, please. We are not going to do that po. If you are the one who owns the device, you are the one that shipped the device, please put your number, your address, and your name. Kasi marami po kaming instances, especially meron nagsasabi na pakiiwan lang sa guardhouse, hindi namin gagawin yan po. Okay, it has to be received by the owner because we do not want to have any issues pag hindi natanggap ng owner. At mahirap po mag-prove na sabihin, ma'am, sabi mo, iwanan lang namin sa guardhouse. Okay? Please, please, please. You will receive it quickly. You will receive it complete. And you will be communicated to very efficiently if you encode or if you place your complete name, address, and phone number on your package. Okay? Next. All Prive Philippines warranties and repairs policy will still be applicable and enforced. What does that mean? Hindi ibig sabihin po dahil we have a drop-off hub in Davao, in Mindanao, na nagbago po ang ating palisiya at ating mga rules po on warranty and repair. It remains the same. Ang location lang po ng padadalhan ninyo at pag-drop off ninyo is the only thing that changed. For follow-up on the status of your sent device or dropped off device, the numbers are shown below. Okay, we are going to post this on Facebook. All right, we are going to respond to you accordingly when you message us on Messenger. All right, next. All steps must be strictly followed or we will immediately return your device. Okay? In other words po, wala po tayong exemption dyan. Susundin po lahat yung steps po or pag nakita namin Complete will be based on the completeness of your documents and the assessment on the condition of your device. What does this mean? Aside from we are still enforcing the same policies and rules for our warranty and repair, please po, we will continue to operate in integrity. We will continue to operate po in honesty. So, please, wag nyo kaming padalhan ng device na galing Lazada or wag nyo po kaming padalhan ng device at sabihan ninyo na biak na dati or nabiak lang siya ng kanya or padalhan nyo kami ng device na users negligence, nagkamali lang kayo ng gamit po, hindi nyo naayos ng gamit, nabagsak ninyo po or nahatak nyo yung wire. Believe me po, our technicians will know if it is manufacturing or if it is user misuse po. Okay? Malalaman namin yan po and we will inform you. All right? And we will inform you about it. And like I said, even the serial numbers and all that, we have ways of tracing po kung yung inyong product 1 year na or hindi pa 1 year. That's why we always encourage you to register your product po. To register your product the minute you receive your product. Because po, meron tayong mga matatalinong mga members na hindi ni-register, ginamit yung produkto ng 1 taon, sobrang 1 taon, at nung nasira, doon pa nila ni-register. Alam nyo po, malapit na tayo, we are 21 months in this business. Alam po namin ang produkto, ang itsura ng produkto na 1 year lang ang gamit. Alam namin ang itsura ng produkto na araw-araw ginagamit. At alam namin ang itsura ng produkto na hindi ginamit or minsan lang ginamit. Alam po namin. Okay? Alam po namin. And by the way, we have checked this on DTI. In fact po, mas lenient po ang aming customer service, ang rules natin on warranty, repairs, and refund. Mas lenient pa tayo, mas understanding po tayo kesa sa rules po ng DTI po. So pinag-aralan na namin po ito lahat because sa amin, we want to make sure that we are able to serve you with integrity and honesty. At hindi nyo po pwedeng sabihin na hindi namin alam because po bago po kami nag-join ng Prive, we used to work for DTI. Alright? So under DTI. So we are sure that you are protected and the company is also protected. Okay? So marami po tayong mga cases na mga tao na nakikipag-away kasi bago lang nila ginamit. Alam nyo po, what's this? We don't want to tell people that they are dishonest, but gaya na sinabi ko po, we know the condition of the product, especially pag binuksan namin po, alam namin ang gamit, ang hindi gamit. Alam namin kung anong itsura ng product na may 1 year warranty po because of the serial number. So if members are trying to be smart na hindi mo nila i-register, at pag nasira, doon pa nila i-register na parang binili lang nila 3 months ago po, I will simply instruct the staff in Prive PH to send the product directly back to you without touching it. Alright? Para clear po. So hindi ko kayo pinapagalitan po. We are just trying to run a business here. And I'm pretty sure if this was your business, you would also feel the same way and you will also implement the same what you call this honesty and the same integrity as we are today. All right? Next. Meron pa ba? Wala na third? That was it?
Presentation.
That was the end of the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, since it is the end of the presentation, I would like to be given this time to report to you on the on some developments that probably you are not aware of, no. All of you know for a fact that that price when we did our grand sizzle last August 24 and 25, that we are seriously here to be able to change people's lives, no. A lot of your leaders here, especially those who are the 1-star all the way up to Crown Ambassador, are running a program called Amazing Project. I don't know if some of you have heard that, or some of you have listened or joined meetings that your leaders or coaches, we call them coaches, are trying to promote this program so that those members that are seriously wanting to succeed in this business, so that they enroll in it or they enroll with the program, para makita nyo po yung guide po on how to succeed. And this guide that was created, and is being right now enforced by our coaches, which are our top leaders, is not based on theory, but it's based on actual success. So hindi po ito dinownload sa internet po at para pagawin sa inyo, or dinownload sa isang programa ng isang tao na galing po, na napakagaling na tao na galing ng Europa or ng Amerika. Hindi po. This is a program that was put together based on the actual success of leaders that have enrolled and followed this pathway, no. So we encourage you, no. I remember in January, the focus of Pride PH was towards learning, right? Remember that? We even did We Care Academy. By the way, we're bringing back We Care Academy, but this time we will have specialized na mga I think the 4th season, mga specialized na episodes, no. And soon po, for you who attended the 2 runs of season 1 and season 2, which was the product, knowing your product, and the compensation plan, soon po ilalabas na natin po yan siya sa YouTube, na na siya po, naka-production na siya. So yung mga episodes na yan po, idinilata na namin, nakadilata na siya, na kung ano yung kailangan nyo, pwede nyo balikan. Na you don't have to sit there for 2 hours to listen po. If you want to learn extensively, ang galing nung sabi ni Dr. Steven kanina when we had a meeting kanina sa second wave ng Amazing Project, na even in his status, even with 35 years or more experience in network marketing, he still wants to learn. So he still goes on YouTube, tries to learn from members, leaders from Prive. Kahit po nasa banyo siya, the learning for him has not stopped. So once na po na produce na namin po yung segments, yung episodes ng season 1 and season 2, even the special season po, we will upload it on YouTube for you to be able to learn from. Okay? So yun lang po. If you are, I'm sure you know the leaders that have registered you or invited you, di ba? Yung mga leaders na yun po, almost 100% of them po is now focused on the launching and on implementing the Amazing Project. Plug in po. If you want to succeed in this business, number 1, you have to plug in. Hindi po pwede na hindi kayo plug in. Simple lang ito po. Kung ang Christianity, for you who are Christians here or who believe in a higher being, alam niyo po, there is a reason why we congregate. There's a reason why pwede naman kayo mag-pray sa bahay, di ba? But why do we always have a day of worship when we are together? Because collaboration is very, very powerful po. You plug in. It takes you away from discouragement. It actually motivates you because you are working together as a team. Huwag po kayong mag-Lone Ranger po. Na kahit na ano kayo kagaling po. Diba? Huwag kayong mag-Lone Ranger because there is always strength in numbers. So number one, ang advice ko, you plug in. Find out what's going on. Find out if there are events. Find out if there are BOPs. Try to learn. Okay? Try to learn as much as you can. Enroll yourself. Kanina po, I was a witness to about 200 plus coaches that are running or will run the Amazing Project po. And like I said, ito pong system na to po is something that was not theoretically done, but it was done based on experience and success in as far as the business is concerned and in as far as the earning is concerned and in as far as taking care and mentoring and coaching your members. All right? Plug in, enroll yourself in this program. Hanapin nyo, after this meeting, call up your upline, call up the person that invited you to Pride and tell them that, hey, I want to enroll in the Amazing Project. I want to know how to do this. Do it. The Philippines right now, all the leaders have collaborated. They have collaborated to make sure that we are now growing and building as one. Okay, growing and building as one. Diba? I even read collaboration. In a word-driven collaboration, every idea has the potential to shape the future. Collaboration is the bridge that connects dreams to reality, turning vision into achievement. So, itong mga saying na po na ito, hindi po ito na para pang feel good lang. This is proven. We have to move as one. You have to plug in. You have to plug in into a system that works. You know, hindi na ito, it's no longer about sino mas magaling na leader, sinong leader na walang kwenta. It's not about that anymore. Remember, that is the reason you are called independent business owners. Because you function independently, you know, in implementing programs that have already worked. So, we always say, team ito ni ano, team ito ni, team Bura, team Bangan, lahat.
Pam, di ba?
Ng team, inimensyon na niyo, pero wala naman nag-a-assist.
Ha?
Yung ginawa nyo ulit po, pero nag-i-expect kayo ng positive at ibang resulta. This is the season po where all of us have to come together, collaborate, plug into each other, and I will tell you, you will see how your life will change. You will see how your life will change, but you have to make sure that you are doing the right thing. You are doing, what's this? You are engaging in a formula that actually works. And it becomes your way of life po. Ito yung tama na po na pag-aalaga. Hindi ko sinasabi po yung ibang system in the past does not work. Absolutely not, no? You can do your own thing if you choose to, no? But we're trying to integrate a pathway. You are trying to integrate a pathway that has already been proven. Diba? Bakit pa tayo nilihis? Alam mo ang problema dito sa Pride. Ito masasabi ko sa problema sa Pride. And wala akong leader na pinapatamaan po. At hindi po Tulfo ang last name ko. Ang dami kasi nating leader po na uhaw sa recognition. No, na kailangan sila. Yung nag-asenso yung tao na yon, nag-succeed siya sa business na yon dahil sa akin. Sandali lang, hinto lang tayo. If ganyan ang mentality natin, huwag na tayo magsabi, we love Pride, go change a life. That's the reason we are in this business, to change somebody else's life, not to change yours. Because remember, when you positively change the life of other people, automatically po, your life will change. Okay? Your life will change. So plug into the program. Call your leaders right now. Apps, kung ano man tawag nyo sa kanila, coach, grand coach, kung ano tawagan nyo sila po. They know what to do. They know what to do. Enroll po ako. I want to be part of your project. Para po, after I'm part of your project, I also become amazing. Because remember, when collaboration becomes a way of life, greatness becomes a natural outcome. Kung naging way of life ninyo ang collaboration po, inevitable po talagang you will be great. And remember, that is the reason all of us are with Pride. So kalimutan natin po yung mga, pag sumali ka sa Pride, yayaman ka. Totoo naman yun po. Pero there is always a pathway and a way to do that. And I believe if you plug in right now, para kung information, ano, para kung advertisements, ano, if you buy now, you know, you get one absolutely free. No, hindi. If you plug in right now, call your leaders. I want to be part of the amazing project. Be my coach. Believe me, sooner or later, you will see why we say that we are a company that changes people's lives. So once again po, yan lang message papadala ko po sa inyo. Okay? Collaborate, work together, work in unity, and watch the results unfold in front of you. And as the office of Pride, no? As the office of Pride in the Philippines, we will support you. Believe you me, maraming offices po na hindi ginagawa yung ginagawa namin. But ang kaya lang namin po at to a certain level. The responsibility po of your achieving of your dreams is number one, yourself, and number two, who you plug into. So plug into the right coach, plug into the right program, and you will see the results, and you will have a very, very Merry Christmas. And on November 9 po, I want to see so many Filipinos go up that stage and receive recognition because not because I'm proud to be a Filipino or not because ang galing-galing ng Pilipinas. No, I want a lot of you to go up on stage, whether Future Star, One Star, or Crown Ambassador. I want you to all experience that for the whole world to see, because I want you to be able to say to yourself that it can be done. Magandang gabi po, and mabuhay kayong lahat hanggat sa gusto ninyo.
Thank you very much, Sir PJ. Can we give a round of applause, please, to our General Manager, Sir PJ Sisi. Thank you for the updates, and thank you for the motivation to all the members. Because always remember that here in Prive, we are one Prive, one team, one family. And as we progress toward the end of this year and in the year onwards, always remember that in Prive Philippines, we are moving in unity towards success. And thank you very much, everyone, for attending tonight's leaders and members update meeting. I have also sent you the PDF file of the Mindanao Drop-Off Hub for you to also read and distribute to the members of your team. Also, please remind your team to plug in to Prive Philippines by following us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube. And also get them to join through our official WhatsApp community kasi nandun lang po ang mga official announcements from Prive Philippines alone. Okay? And thank you very much again for attending. Have a great week, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the week. God bless you all, and have a great evening.